First of all, I would like to thank you all for marking with your gracious presence this virtual event of installation of 17th President of Innerville Club of Hyderabad Central. गुजर जाते हैं मुश्किल के पल भी ऐसे, गुजर जाते हैं मुश्किल के पल भी ऐसे, गुजरते हैं चुटकी में हंसते पल जैसे. Friends, we are very sure very soon we will be together, rejoicing, enjoying in our regular meetings. Meanwhile, you enjoy this virtual meeting. I welcome District Chairman Dr. Sulochana Mathur, immediately past District Chairman Vinita Harnathaka, District EC members, PDCs, Innerville members from other clubs, and my own club members. We are commencing our proceedings. I request everyone to mute themselves. Thank you. I request President Dimple to call the meeting to order. Thank you, Dimple. Thank you, Dimple. For any good beginning, we need the blessings of Almighty. I request Naina to render the invocation to mark the beginning of Innerville year 2020-21. Over to Naina.
Good evening and namaste one and all. Before we start our installation, I request for God's spiritual presence. I ask for the blessings and help we have gathered here today. So let's begin with a few lines of prayer. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. Thank you.
Thank you, Naina. Let us all pray for the well-being of our organization, which has given us a platform to serve the humanity. I request past President Asha Agrawal to recite the Innerville prayer, and all other members, please raise your right hand like this. Asha, recite the prayer.
Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all thy children. Notwithstanding the differences in our culture and creeds, endow us with the desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too often need help. Whenever or wherever the need for service arises, help us to be ready to serve, ensuring to make the badge of Innerville worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain. Thank you.
Thank you, Asha. Now it's time for welcome by our President Dimple, and she will give an insight into her tenure.
A very good evening. A warm welcome to our Honorable District Chairman, Sulochana Mathur, District EC members, PDCs, friends from all other clubs, our team 2020-2021, and all the members of the Club of Hyderabad Central. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on the occasion of installation of Jyoti Kapoor as Club President for the year 2020-2021 and her team of office bearers. A very warm welcome to all of you at a virtual installation of UT, and I believe all who come as guests should leave as friends. I would like to take this opportunity to share my experience of 3 years of Innerville. I joined this esteemed organization in 2017, and very next year, my club members elected me as club secretary. I am thankful to all the members of our club in believing me and providing me an occasion to lead the club. This experience helped me to develop leadership qualities, communication skills, and teamwork. During the year 2019-2020, altogether we had 11 GB meetings and 7 EC meetings, including a couple of virtual meetings during the period. Installation. This was my first general body meeting, a joint meeting with the Innovate Club of Banjara. We also celebrated our Charter Day and the 16th anniversary of our club with our DC Vijaya Gopal and DC Vinita Harnath. District Assembly Viranchi. 16 members from our club participated. Our own member, past President Leela Chandwani, was elected the ESO. Our newsletter Drishti was released on this occasion. We won many awards. Conference. 6 members from our club attended the conference at Guntur. We interacted with the association president Mamta Gupta and International Innovate President Philip Chartas. District Rally Minoda. Hosted district rally with a record of 135 participants. It was an occasion filled with fun and frolic. Clubs participated with colorful entertainment and performance. Lots of prizes were given and all appreciated the arrangements. Women's Day. We had a joint celebration with the Club of Banjara, Club of Sikandrabad and Club of Sujana. A fun-filled event with the game jockey and taboo. Young and the seniors all played and danced together for a fun day. To start a new chapter, we have to stop reading an old chapter. To start a new sentence, I have to put a full stop. I now bring to you a AV of the awards of my tenure, and I welcome the new signing in team. I would ask for the AV.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dimple. We could see the awards in the background. Please continue to work to get more and more awards for our club. As I always say, that more than anything else, it is the people who bring color and cheer to any occasion. So now I request our Charter President, PDC Janki Mohan, to recognize the guests.
Whatever I could see, I am recognizing. In case anybody I have not recognized, please let me know. PDC Padma. First, I want to recognize DC Sulochana Mathur. Welcome to our today's installation event. And then Vinita Harnathika. She's joined the next AC member she is, and I welcome her also today. Then we have PDC Padma. She's the CCCC, and I welcome her. IPP Mamta Jain. She's here. Sumati PD here. I welcome her very much. And we also have Loveleen. I think Loveleen has come. And Swarnalata from Sikandrabad Club. She is here. Vijay Lakshmi, EC member. And President Leela Baheti from Sujana Club. I would also like to welcome one member from our own club who's gone and come back from Bombay. That is Renu Kathuria. She is the past president of our own club. Very dynamic lady during my tenure as DC. And I welcome also PDC Naina. So far this and others are all from our own club here. Thank you very much.
I thank all the guests for their gracious presence. Special thanks to Nana for keeping awake and attending our meeting. Now it's time for
Hello.
club secretaries Jyoti Kapoor's report. He will share club activities for 2019-20.
Projects of the year 2019 and 20. To start with, Nation Before Ourselves. Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We participated in a call given by him on fight against single-use plastic. Club members assembled at Taza Kitchen with flashcards and banners to support this cause. And many visiting families appreciated our action and they pledged not to use single use plastic. COVID times. On March 22, members participated in the 5 minutes clap at 5 pm to show support to the Prime Minister for the Janta curfew. April 5. Prime Minister urges people to fight COVID-19 darkness with light. Many of our members participated by lighting 9 candles and diyas to support this cause. Amount of 10,000 was sent to Prime Minister's Relief Fund. Hyderabad Central, Secunderabad, Surjana and Banjara clubs donated 110 PPE kits to Gandhi Hospital. It was a joint project. Donations by members were sent to various organizations like Uber, Akshay Patra, Feed My Hyderabad, ISKCON. Full salaries too were given to all home health. Few members sent pranic healing to COVID fighters for their safety. Amounts were deducted from members' pensions for COVID-19 relief. Aman Vedika Rainbow Home. This school runs by Government of Telangana with 127 children. Our club installed a solar power unit costing 2,25,000. Joint project with MYK Foundation. Radhakrishnan Orphanage Home, Children Aid Society, a home of 154 girls. Diwali was celebrated here with festive lunch. Chocolates and crackers too are distributed. Cost 7,000. During COVID lockdown, groceries were 12,000 were donated here. This is our sustained project. Kadam Trust. We spent a day with Anjali, an orphan girl from this trust. She shared her life story with us, had lunch with her, and sent her home with clothes and gifts 5,000. We celebrated our Republic Day in the school run by Kadam Trust with 100 children. The trust rescues street children and prepares them to join a mainstream government school. We sponsored lunch with chocolates and gifts for staff 5,000. Asra Home for Orphans. 16 varieties of groceries were donated here to mark the celebration of 16th anniversary of our club. 4,000. Telangana Yuvati Mandal School. We celebrated Independence Day and distributed sanitary pads to all the girls of the school. This was a joint project with Rotary Club. Navjivan Mahila Mandal, a fashion tailoring sewing machine worth rupees 11,500 was donated to this institute on installation day. Sadhuram Eye Hospital, 12 cataract surgeries were sponsored for the poor patients by our members, 24,000. Amma Foundation for Visually Challenged. A girl from this foundation received financial assistance for Braille books, 5,000. Wedding bells. The club supported and helped a poor girl get married with clothes, accessories and amount of rupees 1,02,000 was paid cash to her. Nirmala School and MPPS School. With these two schools, we celebrated our Teachers' Day. It was an afternoon called TTT, Teacher Thali Talk. Teachers were honored with lunch and gifts, 4,000. MLA colony residents participated in Swachh Bharat mission of the colony, donated clothes and sponsored lunch to MCH workers, 3,000, walked in the colony holding banners of Mission Mamta, save water, planting saplings, spoke about our club goals with dignitaries present there. Anurag Old Age Home. Old Age Home with 22 residents. A day was spent here with seniors. Groceries and essentials worth 17,000 was donated to them. Assured them help and assistance whenever required. During COVID period, groceries and essentials worth 8,000 were delivered to them. Second Chance Old Age Home. Groceries were donated to the people of this home to support them during the COVID-19, 6,000. Sai Old Age Home. 15 members visited this old age home, distributed medicines, utensils, carved on them our club name. We spent a quality time with the seniors, 10,500. Dr. Geeta, a surgical oncologist, conducted breast cancer awareness program at Ravindra Bharati. Sanjay Ram, an angel parent who adopted a girl child. It was a pleasure for the club to honor him the check of rupees 10,000 at the OCB with Vinita Harnatika. Akshay Kumar, Dil se thank you. We supported him with a virtual project to thank and appreciate the COVID fighters. Anika Khara, a renowned trainer, she was invited for a GBM. She shared tips on fashion, grooming, and skincare. Anjali Mata, mother and child counselor, was invited at GBM. She explained challenges faced by a mother and child in bringing them up during this computer age and solution for the same. MPPS School Chandanagar. We started with yoga classes once a week for 6 months, 6,000. Children's Day was celebrated with coloring competition with goodies and prizes. Our club got the flooring of the school made, which was not in good condition. It costed us 75,000. Uber with us in MPPS. Uber team organized an event with lunch and takeaway snacks costing 20,000. Along with this, they also donated 50,000 for the development of the school. Art of Living. We have joined hands with this group to construct a smart classroom which is under construction. Once completed, approximated cost will cross rupees 5 lakhs. Friends, thank you for patient hearing.
Congrats Dimple and team for significant projects and outstanding year. And Jyoti, very good reporting. Please continue the same good work. अच्छे लोगों को सभी अच्छे लगते हैं. अच्छे लोगों को सभी अच्छे लगते हैं. ऐसी ही एक बहुत अच्छी हमारी मेंबर हैं, हमारी सीनियर मोस्ट मेंबर निर्मला साहनी. देखिए आप सुनिए वो क्या कहना चाहती हैं.
मेरी सब बहनों को शुभकामनाओं के साथ साथ नमस्कार. सबसे पहले मैं चार्मिंग डिम्पल, स्मार्ट ज्योति और उनकी टीम को मुबारकबाद दूंगी, जिन्होंने अपने परिश्रम और संस्था के सदस्यों के सहयोग से अपने क्लब को मुकुट पहनाया. इनर व्हील क्लब जो अपने व्हील पर उसी तरह घूम रहा है जिस तरह पृथ्वी अपनी धुरी पर. इनर व्हील क्लब यानी दुनिया की समस्त संस्थाएं जो ललित वर्ग के लोगों की मदद कर समाज में उनको ऊंचा दर्जा दिलाने की कोशिश कर रही है. इनर व्हील क्लब हैदराबाद सेंटर की क्या बात है, क्या शान है, जिसने अर्थात इसकी आधारशिला रखने वाली श्रीमती जानकी मोहन को शत शत प्रणाम. सुनहरा ताज पहनाने वाली माया, जिन्होंने इसमें 4 चांद लगा दिए। सुशीला ने खजाना ही नहीं भरा, बल्कि देश विदेश की यात्रा करवा मनोरंजन भी करवाया। आज धन्य है ये संस्था, जिसमें निर्मला चक्रवर्ती जैसी दानशील और विद्वता से परिपूर्ण महिला है, साथ ही लीला जैसी मददगार। मेरी किसी भी बात का बुरा नहीं मानना मेरे प्रिय दोस्तों। ऐसे तो सभी के सहयोग से ही संस्था चलती है। जैसे एक कहावत है जो कि सही है, अकेला चना भाड़ नहीं फोड़ सकता। जो प्रेसिडेंट, सेक्रेटरी, ट्रेजरर आदि की पोस्ट को सुशोभित कर चुकी हैं, उनको मेरा शत शत प्रणाम। भविष्य में जो इन पदों को सुशोभित करने जा रही हैं, संस्था के सहयोग के साथ साथ बहुत बहुत मुबारक, शुभकामनाएं। गॉड ब्लेस एवरीवन। धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद निर्मला जी। हमारी इच्छा है आपका आशीर्वाद, आपकी छत्र छाया हम पर हमेशा बनी रहे। Couple of years back, during Innerville zonal meets, one member from each district was honored. The member who has served the organization without occupying any position. We have got one such member in our club. Any guess who's such a strong pillar of our club? Yes, you are right. She is Nirmala Chakravarti. She is a very good teacher. She has always guided us how to go about it, and she had been helping us financially also, but she doesn't want her name to be mentioned. Here, I'm sorry, Nirmala, even if you say don't mention, I'll mention. You are really the person who is filling our coffers. Thank you for all your assistance. Over to Nirmala Chakravarti.
Good evening. My congratulations to the earlier team. All of you are familiar with the sight of thousands of people thronging Sabarimala. Purpose? To see the Magara Jyoti. Jyoti is light. It spreads happiness. It brings brightness all around. Our Jyoti is also very similar. I've seen her always with a smiling face, making fun and enjoying. When she first became the secretary to deliver her speech, she came all the way to my house at Kondapur, learnt it, and was determined to deliver it in a nice way and succeed. Later, she took up the courage to perform on her own. That is Jyoti. I'm sure with her team, she will do a wonderful job. I congratulate each and every member. Now, I would also like to say, I would like to donate rupees 10,000 to the old age home. Thank you.
Thank you, Nirmala. Your assistance, financially and otherwise, is immeasurable. We are blessed to have you amidst us. Now comes the time for the change of mantle. I request our past president, district secretary, Leela Chandwani, to introduce her close friend, Jyoti Kapoor, who is taking over the reins of our club for the year 2020-21.
Club President Dimple Wadhwa, District Chairman Sulochana Mathur, my co-EC members and Innerville friends, good evening to all of you. I am here to present the incoming Club President Jyoti Kapoor. Jyoti Kapoor was born in historic city of Karachi, now in Pakistan, during historic year 1947. During her schooling in Pune, she was very active in sports and dramatic activities. She did her graduation in political science at Pune. She was in Mumbai for a short period and then in 1970 married to Prem Kapoor, a businessman from Hyderabad. He was dealing in automobiles and was a distributor of Telugu films. She is always fascinated to dress well and differently. She started a boutique from her home. Later on, she joined her husband in his business. Recently, she was voluntarily teaching in a school. She is blessed with son who is businessman and a daughter who is a teacher in fine arts. Jyoti loves traveling and trading on CNBC. Very jovial by nature, she makes many friends easily. With the aim of making more friends, she joined Inner Wheel. She was regular in attending projects as well as meetings. Gradually, she took the responsibility of joint secretary, then secretary, and now she is taking charge of president. Friends, the meaning of Jyoti is auspicious light, and addition of surname Kapoor reminds us of an essential item of Indian rituals. With such a meaningful name, let us hope that she makes our club to newer heights, especially in this pandemic situation. I wish this happy-go-lucky person, Jyoti Kapoor, all the best.
Thank you, Leela, for the wonderful meaning of Jyoti Kapoor and such a good introduction.
Maya, there are 4 people waiting, I believe. Nandi Prasad, Swasni Prabhu, Bo and all.
Yes, I'll tell you.
No, so RMO, 2 people are waiting.
Let her take over. Let her give acceptance speech then. It's now time for Jyoti to wear the jewel. Jyoti, please, you wear the jewel. Somebody is there to make her wear? Yes, Jyoti is wearing. Oh, Jyoti's granddaughter is making her wear the jewel. Thank you, Jyoti. You are the first president to wear the jewel through your granddaughter. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjay.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Maya.
Pinning also. You pin yourself.
Pin also.
Thank you. What's her name? Jyoti?
Sanjiti.
Sanjiti auntie.
Sanjini, you are next Inner Wheel member.
His memories will be there.
Yes. A round of applause needed for 17th President of Inner Wheel Club of Hyderabad Central.
Now my acceptance.
Jyoti, all are waiting patiently to listen how you are going to sail out our club during these difficult times of pandemic. Over to Jyoti.
Greetings to one and all. It is my privilege and honor that all my club members have faith in me and elected me to the most important post of club president. I assure you all that I will work with best of my abilities and with the help of my team and club members take our club to newer heights. Our International Inner Wheel President Beena Vyas has announced a theme for the year 2020 and 21, Lead the Change. With current scene of pandemic throughout the world, this theme is very appropriate. Change offers new opportunities and new horizons. In past 96 years, there have been many changes in the working of Inner Wheel and elsewhere in the world. But this year it is totally different, and we Inner Wheel members will be working with different perspectives. As we know, the captain of ship needs an efficient crew to sail smoothly. An individual leader alone cannot implement the change. Hence, I request all the members to adopt the newer circumstances and make use of new technology. We have already taken the first step by starting virtual meetings during lockdowns. Organizations which pursue and embrace change become healthy and grow into dynamic organizations. So friends, let's all together work in our way and make our club march towards like never before.
Our association president, Vasudha Chandrachud, has given us a goal, hope. Hope is the power that gives us confidence to step out and try new things, and hope are our guidelines for this year. In hope, H stands for health and hygiene. A small virus has played a havoc in our lives. So our first priority will be in our field of health and hygiene. We shall be donating maximum PPE kits, masks and sanitizers to the doctors, security guards, MCH workers and all others getting affected during the duties to save us. We shall continue to sponsor cataract surgeries for the poor people. O stands for old age people and orphans. Our club has been always assisting old age home in whatever in their requirements. We shall continue the same. There are some elderly people staying alone and they need assistance in getting their daily requirements. We would like to partner with some NGOs who can help them. Under Mission Mamta, our efforts will be continued to help orphans, people and try in making India orphan free. Our assistance to Radha Krishan Orphanage Home will be continued. We have also commenced helping an orphan girl Anjali with her education by contributing for a hostel fees. E is for patriotism. We love India, right? But words are not enough. Our actions should speak about it. But how? We can start using all the products made in India, including Indian apps. Celebrate all national days, respect all religion, bring awareness to the voting rights in general public, and become a responsible citizen. E stands for environment. It is high time we need to protect and save our environment. Our life and health is very much dependent on our environment. We will try to spread awareness among people to avoid single use of plastic, minimize the use of paper, conserve energy, water, and natural resources. Plant more trees and create awareness of the same among people around us. I am sure, friends, faith in technology, our talent, and our work together will produce unbeatable creativity, innovation, and image. Our shared trust will allow our club to achieve new pinnacle. Thank you.
Thank you, Jyoti. Congratulations and wishing you an amazing year.
Thank you, Maya.
I wish you create your identity as club president in such a way that your followers should always replicate you. Thank you very much. Now, over to Janki for recognitions. Janki, you can recognize. Janki Mohan.
PDC Nalini has come. And I could see Anupama Subedar from Nizamabad. Then EC member Premalata. These are the three people I could see here.
Okay.
Anyone else? I don't know if they are in mute, but.
Okay. Okay, Janki.
Okay.
Next is the handing over of the charter to the incoming secretary, which is already sent to her. Veena, please exhibit the charter and introduce yourself. Veena Verma. Over to Veena Verma.
Good evening, friends. I'm Veena Verma, graduated from Vinita Mahavidyalaya, got married in a business family. I have worked alongside with my husband for 25 years in transformer industry. I'm blessed with 3 children, all married and settled. I'm a passionate painter also. I would like to thank my seniors and club members for electing me club secretary. I am deeply honored to take this post. It has been more than 10 years that I've joined Innerwheel Club, but When I became an ISO, I enjoyed my tenure. I received the Best ISO Award and various accolades in district rally. Last year, as Joint Secretary, I had great working experience, which encouraged me to shoulder further responsibilities. Thus, I have become Club Secretary. I'm pinning myself as Secretary. Here's my chat.
Congratulations, Veena. Congratulations.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations, Veena.
Thank you.
Congrats, Veena.
Thank you, Janki ji.
I
assure you all that I will work hard to help the club to sail through this difficult times of COVID-19. We shall take up projects from time to time and provide relief to the needy. Mother Teresa rightly said, it's not how much we give, but how much love we put in giving. Friends, जिंदगी में प्रॉब्लम ही प्रॉब्लम है, पर इन लबों में मुस्कान है. जीना ही है तो मुस्कुरा के जिए. थैंक यू.
वीना, तुम्हारी मुस्कुराहट बनी रहे, तुम ऐसे ही सुंदरता से मुस्कुराती रहो.
Thank you and all your blessings.
Maya, can you give me just a moment, please? I would like to recognize Lata, PDC Lata and Sunita Vallam, then PDC Manik Shamlal and Padmaja also, and we have Suhasini Prabhu. Thank you.
Past couple of years, Simran Thakur is assisting club presidents in the smooth running of the club. We recognize her contribution, but she is not yet ready to take total charge. Realizing her potential, once again she is elected as vice president. Simran, unless you lead the club once, you won't be spared. Better next year you accept the crown. Please share with us your lesser known achievements. Over to Simran.
Thank you, Masi. Hello, good evening, one and all. Hope everyone is safe and healthy. This is Simran Thakur, Vice President of Hyderabad Central, born and brought up in Nizampad, a BCom computer graduate, freelancer by profession, married in Hyderabad, and blessed with a 5-year-old angel. Innerville for me is like a family from college days. You people must be thinking why. Let me tell you, my mom, Mrs. Bhavna Nagdev, is a past president of Innerville Club of Nizampad. I am proudly associated with Innerville from last 5 years. I started my journey as an ISO in the year 2014-15. Which was a wonderful experience, and I won the Best ISO award with exchanging 50 flags. I am honored to be elected as Vice President thrice, which I call it as hat-trick, one more feather on my cap. I thank all my members, my team, for giving me this wonderful opportunity again. Thank you.
Simran, but you can't escape presidentship. Make sure. Next time, I agree. After adjourning the post of Club ISO and reckoning her name, here comes Anita R to take over as Joint Secretary. Over to Anita. Anita, your flags are visible.
Yeah, I can start now, ma'am?
Yeah.
Good evening, our dynamic President Jyotika Purki, our Honorable District Chairman Ms. Alochana Math, EC member, all my IW friends. I thank my seniors for having trust on me and electing me as joint secretary. I will try to do my best up to the. It's my privilege to introduce myself as joint secretary. I am Mrs. Avipati Anita, born in Bilaspur, mostly brought up in Hyderabad, did my graduation in history and economics, married to a businessman, blessed with daughter and son. Daughter doing MS in California, US. Son pursuing his MS in New York. Daughter married and settled in Europe. My hobby is traveling, socializing. I started my journey in inner wheel in year 2015, and I am proud to be part of this international women's organization. Last year, I was honored to get one of the best posts, ISO. ISO post is a brand ambassador strengthening the link between club and district. I enjoyed my journey as ISO post, and as I couldn't travel much last year, I made 45 flags, and I was recognized and awarded as best ISO. Thank you. Over to Maya ji.
Thank you, Anita. As successfully you have done Club ISO's job, same way you continue your future posts also. Thank you. Any organization's success depends on proper management of finances. And who else can handle finances better than a banker? Here comes a retired senior manager from a nationalized bank as treasurer. I present here Nalini, the Khajanchi of Inner Wheel Club of Hyderabad Central. Over to Nalini.
Good evening, all my sisters. I am Nalini S. Kumar, Senior Manager, Punjab National Bank, retired. I am born and brought up in Chennai and a student of Madras Christian College, Chemistry. Did my political science in post-graduation, all the CIB exams and share market trading. Now, after retirement, I thought I must do something. With the help of my husband, who is Vice President for a Singapore power company, and my 2 children well settled in US, I have decided that I will join Inner Wheel. Last year I have joined January. I am very happy. The club members, my seniors, everybody had trust in me and made me a treasurer. Everyone cannot do alone. Together we can, and together we will. I am confirming and assuring my president and secretary and other members, with their guidance and support, I will get more funds, sponsor us for our club activities, projects, and I am sure I will be able to do it. Thank you so much. I am pinning my treasurer pin.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Nalini.
Congratulations, Nalini.
Thank you.
Congrats, Nalini.
Thank you.
Congrats, Nalini. Sure, banker will definitely improve our financial position. A new member wins the hearts of all the members through her talent. And very next year, she is elected as Club ISO. Multi-talented Samina, ISO के रूप में आपका स्वागत है. Over to Samina Shadan.
Good evening to all. I am Samina Shadan, ISO of Inner Wheel Club, Hyderabad Central, District 315. I have done MBA in Hospital Administration, but by profession, I am a makeup artist. I run a beauty parlor and a gym. My hobbies are cooking, gardening, painting, traveling, and making friends. From childhood, I love to interact with people and learn about different cultures, cuisines, and customs. I was always inclined towards social work, and alone we can do so little and together we can do so much. This was the reason which made me join Inner Wheel. I thank all my club members for choosing me as an ISO. I will try to do my best by making good relations with ISOs of other clubs to know about their activities, their club activities, and to let them know about my club activities. Thank you.
Congrats. Congrats.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
Samina.
Samina, congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
महज दोस्ती नहीं है ये इनर व्हील, महज दोस्ती नहीं है ये इनर व्हील, ये तो है बगिया प्यार और विश्वास की. और इसी विश्वास के साथ संपादिका के पद को सुशोभित करने आ रही हैं आ रही है बोनिया लहरी चट्टोपाध्याय. Over to Bonia.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I am Bonia, the newly appointed editor in Innerville Club, Hyderabad Central, District 315. I have a great thirst for knowledge and passion for learning. I am sure I'll enjoy the post and will do justice to it. I will utilize my experience and skills to make my work remarkable. Thank you, respected EC members, for responsibilities you have given me to serve the prestigious club, and I will try to fulfill what all of you expect from me. My ambition is to serve our president and her team with my editorial and media knowledge. I will assist them in increasing the communication within our organization and make IWC Hyderabad Central more known in the worldwide community. I will spread club's vision and reports all over the world. I will collect information from all our members and publish articles and reports about our various projects and activities. I will develop media connectivity and make our network even more stronger. To succeed, I need your assistance too. Together we can lead the change. Thank you. I'm pinning myself.
Congratulations,
Bonia,
Congratulations, Bonia. Thank you, everyone.
Now, myself, PDC Maya Chandwani, I thank my club members for electing me as Club Credential Committee Chairman. I assure you that I'll work along with District Constitution and Credential Committee Chairman Padma Sharma and take our club more ahead. And I'll ensure our Charter President Janki Mohan that all the protocols will be followed, since she is very particular about protocols, and our club will have its own way of working. Thank you very much. Now it's time for video. Congratulations to the new team. Many congratulations. सोते हुए तो सपने सभी देखते हैं. आपको पता है जो जागते हुए सपने देखते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? उन्हें जीनियस कहते हैं. ऐसे ही एक जीनियस हमारे मध्य है, जिन्होंने इनरव्हील क्लब ऑफ हैदराबाद सेंट्रल बनाने का सपना जागते हुए देखा और आज ये क्लब आपके सामने है. तो सुनिए उन्हीं की जुबानी उनकी कहानी. ओवर टू चार्टर प्रेसिडेंट जानकी मोहन.
Thank you, Maya, for your lovely words. Yes, it was as you know very well, because you are one of the charter members. We were 12 of us. I want to take you all to the memory lane back to 2004. This is a 16-year-old club, and in 2004, I wanted to make an Innerville club because all of them, the 11 members, wanted that too. But we never knew we could only make it within our club. I thought we have to go to some other Rotary club and take some members there. When I went there, nobody responded. I was so dejected. And in my Rotary club, past district governor, Acharya Garu said, don't bother about all that. And I said, called all these members and told them, why should we depend on any other club? Let us all start. Let us do it. Suddenly I found in the newspapers everywhere, Nalini Gopinath very actively, one lady is there in every photograph. So we realized she belongs to Secunderabad Innerville Club. And immediately we called her and asked her. Then he said, oh, Janki, I have come to your club many times. It has not happened. I said, don't say that. I was not there. Now I'm calling you. When she came to our club and we were all talking, what happened? I got shivering, fever, and I became ill totally. I had mumps at that time. And then after that, I went to America, came back. No, I thought Nandi is not going to believe me. She will say this club is always like this. Once again, I called her. I told her, Nandi, please, once more, come. She came, and as Maya just now was pointing out, I am for protocols very much. Well, our mentor was Nandi Gopinath, who is always for protocols, who is very meticulous, who is very disciplined. Such a lady, she was the one who trained our club. So therefore, is it surprising that we want to stand like that, in that manner? And then, Dr. Kasturi Pramila, she was a chairman there. And I didn't know that what is a chairman also there. I just called up. They said, gave me a number. It's a call her up because she's the chairman. I called her up. Immediately, she did everything for us. And the way she welcomed us, with so much of warmth, affection, I can never forget that at all. And that's why even today, I consider her also as our mentor. And when she came for her visit, the installation, oh my God, she was so full of warmth, affection. And I really liked the person. I was, she's going to be my mentor for the whole year. That's what I was thinking. Then, of course, my own best friend next was Lata Satyakumar. I know her family, everyone, even before she came here. And she took over as chairman after that. Now, friends, what I'm trying to say is, in the 2 years that I was, they made me president for 2 years because I started in the middle of the year. And we bagged award for each and every post. I am not joking. I have got the awards with every project got an award. And apart from that, the biggest awards we got was for polio and for old age. These are given in a very big, frame, which I had put in the beginning in my house, but later on, removed it. So many awards. I never expected any awards, nothing, because we don't know anything about inner. But whatever they asked us to do, we did it. And it was sometimes very frustrating because out of 12, only 4 may come, 5 may come. We used to sit in hotel lounges and conduct our meeting, but we never lost hope. And all of us wanted to do it together. And I had warm, wonderful Rotary hands. They were my members. And that's how this was possible to do it. Now here I want to mention you all. After that, Maya Chandwani took over. Very dynamic person. She took the club totally forward, completely. She had been the best ISO. That's why I suggested, Maya, you become the next president. She got the best ISO in those days, and she did all the work herself. And then she took the club forward. And the club went to this level. After that, I'm sorry, I feel bad to say about Sri Devi, who was my charter secretary, who's no more. I always miss her when I cut the cake, charter cake. And she did a lot of projects, plenty of projects she did. And she was also a very disciplined person, very disciplined. Then after that, some presidents I'm mentioning, which already Nirmala Sahni mentioned, which I already thought of saying was, Neela did 2 years of presidentship, very diligent, very hardworking, and very disciplined and warm person, very warm person. And she understands others, empathy is there in her. And Leela was asked to do another time also president. She did a wonderful job of these 2 years. Then came Sushila. I would say the club became vibrant. That is the correct word to use, was vibrant. She, as Nirmala said, she took us everywhere with her, and everybody enjoyed Innerweave. And we never knew that Innerweave could be so enjoyable. Every day, and she did a lot of projects also. She did a mixture of everything, not just all work and no play makes a jack a dull boy, not like that. She did everything, and it was a perfect tenure. Renu, another dynamic president, and that I can vouch because I was the DC at that time. So Renu did so much. Renu and Sushila combination was an amazing pair. So they did a very mighty job. All presidents who followed, who came after, so Asha Agarwal, she is one person, you give her work in the last minute also, she will do it. She does it so well. Most of the time she gets it in the last minute and she does an amazing job. She is really too good. And I would like to say, with all these presidents, the club after 16 years is reached such great height. I'm so proud. My baby, it has grown up, 16-year-old girl, because it's a women's organization. It's a 16-year-old girl now. And Dimple has done a beautiful job. First, let me congratulate and Dimple for doing such a wonderful, because as a secretary, she did a mighty job. Then president, she did a mighty job. And then now I would like to congratulate Jyoti, who was a dynamic secretary to Dimple. She did wonderful work. And now I'm sure that she will take the mantle very high, leadership, very high, I'm sure. And she's got a commanding personality, but she's very gentle and warm. And she's very nice. So I am very confident this club is going in all right direction, going to the right hands, to the right people. And it will definitely keep on going higher and higher. So I would like to congratulate, wish all the best for Jyoti and her team members, and a fantastic work done by Dimple and her team members. Thank you all very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. This team 2021, though the timing is not right, but this our team is doing wonderful job. Past 27 days, so many good activities have been put up by our club. This will be shown by Secretary Veena Verma. Over to Veena Verma.
Hello friends, our club has done the following projects this month. Hope, Let's Lead the Change is the ray of guidance for the year 2020-21. To start with, on 1st of July, 26 members honored 26 doctors individually in their own sweet way. We have donated a computer set worth 20,000 to an orphanage, Darul Yatim Thana, in Old City, to help children study online during COVID period. Then our club has decided to bring smile and happiness on the faces of senior citizens by celebrating their birthdays, staying in Anuraga Nilayam Old Age Home, Narayanpura. We have celebrated 3 inmates' birthdays this month by sending them cake and giving them new clothes. Groceries were also given. Our member has organized lunch for priest in temple at DRDO Township. We have donated rupees 15,000 for groceries to Radhakishan Home for orphan children at Mehdipatnam. Our club has taken responsibility to sponsor hostel fees of an abundant student named Anjali under Mission Mamta. Then we have donated rupees 10,000 to Devatkonda Foundation for the COVID infected families. We have given groceries worth 5,000 to an NGO, Family Services in Secunderabad, who work to educate underprivileged children. Lastly, one Mahotsav was celebrated by 25 members to show we can lead the change together. Can we have the video, please, of the projects?
Congratulations, Veena.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Jyoti. Very good work. Past 27 days. I'm sure you will do many more wonderful projects.
Thank you,
Congratulations.
Maya. Thank you.
Maya, I would like to announce one small thing which I forgot. I given 10,000 rupees for this year to these people for any good project, and I am making an announcement here that every year I plan to give 10,000 rupees to our Inner Wheel Club of Hyderabad Center.
Thank you, Janki.
Thank you. Thank you, Janki. Thank you very much. A truly amazing teacher is hard to find, difficult to part with, and impossible to forget. I am calling past President Sushila Rupani to introduce such teacher. She is none other than our district chairman, Dr. Sulochana Mathur. Over to Sushila.
Good evening to all. Thanks for giving me opportunity to introduce our dynamic GC, Sulochana Mathurji. In her 80s, Dr. Sulochana Mathur, an MSc and PhD from Osmania University, has worked for 37 years in Sarojini Naidu Vanita Mahavidyalaya in various capacities and been principal for 12 years. Married to Mr. Jagdish Mohan Lal, who himself is a past president of Rotary Club of Secunderabad. She had taken keen interest in Rotary and subsequently became active member of NRV Club of Secunderabad. She was twice president and received Best President Award. Climbing up the ladder as district treasurer, she received Outstanding Treasurer Award, and now finally on the top as district chairman year 2020 and 2021. She is the woman of substance and the jewel in the crown of District 315. We welcome you, madam, with utmost warmth and love. Thank you.
Thank you, Sushila. Thank you for such a short and sweet introduction. We are privileged that most non-controversial, loved by all, down to earth, simple lady is leading our district during these difficult times. We are sure under her captaincy, District 315 will sail through successfully in rough waters. Now over to DC Sulochana Mathur. Madam, please loosen your pearls of wisdom for us.
Thank you, Maya. Good evening, friends. I thank Innerweal Club of Hyderabad Central for inviting me today as their guest. I congratulate Jyoti for taking up leadership of this prestigious club and wish her and her team a great year ahead. And I congratulate for fantastic last year and the project they have done. It is a great joy to see so many of you here today celebrating the start of another wonderful year of Inner Wheel service. I am grateful to all who have reposed their faith in me and supported me to lead our esteemed district this year. This club was started by Rotary Club of Hyderabad Central, and our PDC Nalini Gopinath was instrumental in starting it. My mind goes back to in 2004 when I became the member of Inner Wheel Club of Secunderabad in the city Inner Wheel Club of Secunderabad and Inner Wheel Club of Hyderabad Central were the only two clubs there. Regular joint meetings and projects brought optimism and pride for being part of this wonderful organization. Though this movement, I made so many friendly and shared warm relationship through this. This friendship still continues and will continue forever. The very enthusiastic members of this club ensured this club reach the greater height. It is indeed incredible the diversity in service shown by the club and received laurels and awards in award ceremonies in Erapal. I congratulate Dimple and her team for the same. In past, IWC Hyderabad Central sponsored 2 new clubs, Innerville Club of High-Tech and Innerville Club of Karimnagar. Both the clubs under the guidance of IWC Hyderabad Central are doing very well. I look forward to them sponsoring few more clubs this year. Let us begin with celebrating the success and preparing for the future and be ready for the opportunities for taking the club to newer heights. Every one of us here today, no matter who we are, from where we are from, has the ability to lead the change. Every one of us has the potential to reach out to those places where there is so much need and do what it takes to make things better and bring hope. They are currently facing a pandemic with COVID-19, but let us keep our spirits high and together show the world Innerville is a symbol of hope. Our association president Vasudha ji has given an excellent goal, hope. So H for health and hygiene, promote the importance of having good mental and physical health. O for old people and orphans. This year, let us focus on giving educational support to orphan children. P for patriotism. A time has come where we have to move from I love my India to I am a responsible Indian. E for environment. Let us make it our mega initiative of this year. In environment, we can do water conservation, innerweed forest, use of alternate energy sources, plastic waste, and e-waste management. Let us all work out these goals with passion. Let us lead the change and bring the difference to the community. This year, for the first time, India will be hosting IIW convention on 3rd to 6th March 21. I request you to register for IIW convention in large number. My best wishes to President Leela, Secretary Padmavati, and her team. Thank you.
Thank you, Sulochana ji. Thank you very much. We will definitely follow your instructions and we will assure you all our support and guide. Now it's time to honor our district chairman and hand over a small memento to her. Over to GC, Sulochana Mathur. Sulochana ji, please accept the small memento. Thank you, Sulochana ji.
Thank you very much, Maya.
Thank you. Now, time for vote of thanks. Vote of thanks by Vice Chairman Simran Thakur.
Hello, everyone. This is Simran Thakur, Vice President of Hyderabad Central. My warm greetings to everyone present here.
Yeah.
No, it is good.
My heartiest congratulations to our and my good wishes and full support to incoming President Jyoti Kapoor and team for the challenging year ahead. On behalf of Innerville Club of Hyderabad Central, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to District Chairman Sulochana ji for gracing today's occasion. A humble thank you to all PDCs, District EC members, other club president secretaries, and my own club members for attending today's event. A big thank you to MC Maya ji, our backbone, strength of our club, for arranging today's event. Not to forget, a big thank you to our charter president, PDC Janki ji, for her support given to our club. Lastly, not to forget, Mr. Pranay Rupani for arranging this virtual Zoom meeting today. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Simran. Please, I ask all the members to put your right hand on your heart when the national anthem is being played.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. Now, Jyoti, please adjourn the meeting. Over to Jyoti Kapoor.
Meeting adjourned.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Jyoti.
you.